everyone, Sheree here. Today I thought I'd give you a closer look at what's included in our new October Felicity Jane Rebekah kit. So as you can see, it's really lovely with these beautiful autumn tones. We've got lots of beautiful papers here. We've got stickers, we've got a lovely stamp set. There's some Vellum Hearts, journaling cards as always, some die cut shapes, and these cool charms and some vellum pockets. So what I will do is give you a closer look at each of these things. I'll take them out of their packets and I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so let's start off with the Rebekah Puffy alphabet. So as you can see, it is white in that lovely puffy feel. There are multiples of each letter. You also get these little puffy hearts and stars at the bottom of the front there. And over on the back we have all the numbers as well, and there are multiples of each number too, which is really handy. So that is the Rebekah Puffy alphabet. Then we have the Rebekah Puffy stickers. Now these are gorgeous in gold, and we've got love, family, home, smile and happy. I absolutely love these and I can't wait to use them. Right, next up we have the stamp set. So as you can see, there are lots of gorgeous florals in this stamp set. Little cluster of flowers here, we've got leaves, and then we have a few words as well. We've got the word love, home, family and beautiful, and I absolutely love this scripty font that we're having on our stamp sets lately. Alright, so that's those ones. Get those ones out of the way. Next up we have the journaling cards. So I'll give you a closer look at these ones. As always, on the back of these we have either a grid or a dot pattern, so they're fantastic if you need a neutral card to use. But let's have a look at the patterns on the front. So we start off with this gorgeous floral in the kit colours. We have a bold stripe there, one that says week number. We've got this lovely autumn colour here with a little place that you can either add a stamp to or a little bit of journaling. You can also add some die cuts to this and make it really pretty. We've got this floral card here. This little scallop detail looks like a stitched scallop in the kit colours. One that says hello pumpkin. We've also got this one. It's like a black with a stripe and this section in the middle where you can add a photo or some journaling. We've got this diagonal mustard stripe. This gorgeous floral with a label there where you can add something to. We've got a mustard heart and the large October word, which is really handy for this month. So they are our journaling cards. Okay, so next up we have the vellum pocket fronts. We've got two different sizes of pockets here. So there's this larger ones here and these ones which are slightly smaller, as you can see. So these ones here, we have one that says notes on the front. We've got that floral that you've been seeing through the kit. We've got the polka dot here in that black, a lovely stripe, and then we've got this fun animal print. Loving this animal print in this kit. So I love that these already come with the adhesive on the back, so all you have to do is peel off that backing and it's ready to stick straight onto your project. And you can decorate these however you like, with lots of stamps or die cuts, alphabet stickers, whatever you like. So really handy thing to have in your stash. Okay, next up we have our pack of Vellum Hearts. There are 27 pieces in this pack, and as you can see we've got a lovely variety of patterns as well. So we've got this grid, got this beautiful floral that matches the papers and some of the journaling cards. We've got this fun animal print here, and as you can see there's different sizes in the hearts. There's this smaller size as well. We've got a gingham there, mustard stripe as well, and there's some white ones too, which are always handy to have. So they are the Vellum Hearts. Okay, so next up we have my favourite thing in the kit each month, and they are the die cut shapes. There are 35 pieces in this little pack, and there's a few fun things we haven't seen before, like these little pieces here. They're like little paint swatches. I'll just try and get them to focus there. Yep. So they've got words underneath, so we've got a few of the kit colours there. So this one says, it's got the little kisses and hugs. We've got smile, lovely, and remember. So they're really fun. I love those. We've got this little set of 3 stripes here. You could add words or stickers to that as well. There's a couple of circular pieces, this floral and a little heart. There's all these black and white leaves and flowers. These are really cool, fun to stick in and add in behind the other flowers. We've got the wonderful word in my favourite scripty font there. There's a couple of different styles of flowers in this kit which I'm loving. So these cute little flowers here in the pink, the mustard and that brownie colour. There's also this cute little flower here in that brownie colour with a touch of the mustard. And the florals, as always, are gorgeous. I'm loving these little floral clusters here. And there's a few singular flowers as well in those kit colours. So they are really pretty and they're going to be really fun to use. All right, there's also these hearts. We've got a black with polka dot, the olivey green here, and a smaller one in the pink. We also have a variety of labels, so there's a couple of tabs there and these other labels in various colours. And then we have Rebekah herself looking super cute in her outfit, and there's this little scalloped piece as well that looks hand drawn. So they are the die cut shapes. Okay, next up are the charms. These would have to be my absolute favourite thing in the kit this month. So I really want to give you a closer look at these ones. So they all look like little tags, and we have 3 with scripty words that say home, today and happy. There's 2 with those cute little flowers like the die cuts in the die cut pack. We also have a little black heart there. This one here that has a little rainbow that is so cute. There's the stripe, and there's also one that says love. So they are absolutely adorable and I can't wait to use them. Alright, so the last item that you'll find in the kit are of course the papers. These are always fun to go through because they are always gorgeous. Alright, so first up is that beautiful floral, and then on the back this pattern is called Dash. I'll give you a closer look at that one. You can see that there. And as always, we have a decorative branding strip that's totally usable on your project. So it's that mustard with a yellow spot there. Next up we have a beautiful wood grain. Love that. On the back, this one's called Chevron in the kit colours, and this branding strip has these little black hearts. Next up is the bold stripe in the pink and white, and the pattern on the back is called Twig, and that is so cute. This one has a dark green stripe down the branding strip. Our next paper is a pink with a white stitched style scallop. I'll see if I can get that to focus a bit closer. A little bit hard to see, but it's like a stitched scallop. So on the reverse of that one is that bold stripe, and then we have a yellow gingham down the branding strip on that one. Now this one I absolutely love, the leopard print. That is so fun. And on the back we have the pinstripe. That's a really versatile paper to have. And this one has a really beautiful floral branding strip along the edge. Okay, our last pattern piece is this pretty bloom paper with the cute little flowers, the same as in the die cuts. And on the reverse of this one, it's called Plus, which they're tiny, tiny little plus signs. I'll show you there. And this branding strip is a yellow gingham. Love that. All right, so then of course we always have 2 pieces of solid colour paper. This one here is that autumny sort of browny colour, of course with the scallops stripped down the side there, and the reverse of that one is that mustard yellow. Our other piece are 2 shades of pink, so we've got the darker pink on this side and a really light pink on the other, again with that scalloped branding strip down the edge. So they are our papers in the kit this month. So you get 1 pack of paper. All of these items are available separately in the shop. So if you're not interested in ordering the entire kit, just remember you can get these items separately in the store. So there are a few other items available separately in the store. You'll find them in the same area as all the other Rebekah kit items, but these are available separately. They're not included in the kit, but these are add-ons that you can also purchase in store. So we have the Rebekah Traveler's Notebook insert. It has that gorgeous floral on the cover. The inside of the cover is white, as are the pages as well. And I love that our Traveler's Notebook inserts now have that square corner, and the paper is absolutely buttery gorgeousness. I love the Felicity Jane Traveler's Notebooks. So that's that one. We also have a 6x6 paper pack. There are 4 patterns included, but 3 of each of these papers. So there's wood grain on the one side of this one. On the reverse is that leopard print. So fun. The other one is the floral on one side, and on the reverse is that dusty pink with the white stitched scallop. So on a reduced size pattern as opposed to the actual papers, as you can see there. So they are also available as a pack separately. We also have a few other things, such as these little bow paper clips. These are so cute, so fun to use in your planners. You can use them on your traveler's notebook. They look really cute, really fun to have. And there are different fabrics available in the store. This is the pink one here that matches the kit. Absolutely love it. We also have some of the yellow mini wide paper clips. I love these things. I use them all the time on my pages, but this is the first time we've had this color. So just give you a closer look there. Such a pretty color. Really great to have in your stash. So be sure to go and check those out in the Felicity Jane store. There's so many fun things to choose from this month. So I hope you've enjoyed having a closer look at the kit. This is the Rebekah kit. I'll pop a link down below if you'd like to head on over and check those things out in store for yourself. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be back again with more to share with you very soon. Bye for now.